Welcome to episode 27 of Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. So, Kei-sensei, I finally left my comfortable hotel room to explore the city. The train station was a bit too far, so I decided to brave the local bus. Honestly, I just stared at the street completely frozen. How do you even find where the bus actually stops?
Ha 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 ha. I don't blame you, Leo. Local buses can look scary. First, you need to find the bus stop.
Right, the bus stop.
In Japanese, bus is basu, and bus stop is basute. You just need to look for a pole or a small shelter with the schedules. They aren't always obvious. Look for a pole with a sign or sometimes a small shelter. It will have the bus company's name and a timetable. This is your basute.
Basu and basute. Okay, so I'm looking for a sign.
Exactly. Let's practice these two words. Try saying basu. And now basute.
Okay, I found the bus day. But then the bus pulls up and people are walking to the back door instead of the front. I was so confused. It goes against everything I know about buses.
That's a very common system in Japan, especially outside of major city centers. And what's that little machine inside the door you mentioned?
Yeah, it looked like it was printing out tiny receipts or something.
That's it exactly. In many Japanese cities, you get on through the back door. Inside, there is a machine that spits out a little paper slip called a numbered ticket. We call it seiriken.
Seiriken.
It shows a number that tells the driver exactly where you got on so they can calculate your fare later.
Wait, Seiriken? So it's like a proof of entry? If I don't take it, does the driver think I rode the bus from the very beginning of the line?
Exactly, Leo. Good logic. Always grab your seiriken as soon as you step inside.
Got it. Grab the Seiriken. So I'm sitting down looking at this massive electronic screen at the front of the bus with numbers and prices constantly changing. It felt like watching the stock market. How do I know when to get off?
You look at your ticket number and match it to the screen. Below your number, you'll see the fare, which is anchin. When the automated voice announces your stop, you have to press the stop button on the wall.
And that's my unchin.
That's right. The button says tomarimasu, which means stopping.
Oh, tomarimasu, like the verb for stopping. So I just hit that button, it dings, and the driver knows I want to get off?
Yes, press it and you'll hear a chime. Let's practice. First, anchin for fare. And tomarimasu for stopping.
Perfect. The bus stops. Now I have to walk to the front to pay the driver, but I only have a huge 1,000 yen bill and the fare box only takes exact coins. Total panic moment.
Don't panic. The machine next to the driver has a money changer built right into it. You can change your bill into coins before paying.
No way! That's genius!
It is. So when you drop your exact fare into the box, just say "arigatou gozaimasu" to the driver as you exit through the front door. Before we plan our next adventure at Cafe Jupiter, Leo, let's do a quick bus survival check. Ready?
Ready. Let's see if I remember anything.
Okay, what is the bus? Basu. And the bus stop? Basti. What about the numbered ticket? Seiriken. And finally, what is the fare? Unchin.
Armed with my shuriken and my exact change, I am officially ready to ride the bus anywhere. Thanks, Kei-sensei. Next time on episode 28, we're taking a break from transport to unlock a crucial skill, asking for recommendations. We'll learn how to ask locals for the best spots to eat, the coolest things to see, and use the magic phrase osusume.
Mata ne.